Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a really odd video for me. I did receive this lovely box with this lovely bag inside of it. And from what I see, that there is a little note here written, so I will read this just in case it's something personal after the video. But this is from one of my subscribers, so thank you. Let me see if it says a name so I can at least give you a shout out on here. Hold on one second while you're staring at. Okay, so her name is Michelle. And yeah, so her name is Michelle, so I won't read her letter on camera, but thank you, Michelle. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I couldn't even really pick this up to put this in my car. Some guy from the post office, he put it in my car for me because your girl's got a bad back. She ain't trying to lift nothing. Anyway, this cute bag, and let's look at, holy shite inside. Oh my god. Okay, wait. There's got to be some... I'm lost for words here. Let me go back to this letter. Alright. Hi there. My name is Michelle. I'm a buyer for... I don't know if they want me to say. I'm a buyer for blank craft stores. I came across your channel, Chit Chat with Kim. I'm delighted to see your beautiful plating skills. So I have enclosed a package for you, including some goodies. I hope you enjoy. Michelle. Holy crap. Okay, so right off the bat, I don't know how they do with copyright or whatever that is, but we know where Recollections comes from. So apparently she is a buyer for, we all know where Recollections comes from with you guys. So yeah, read between the lines just in case. I don't want to get into any legal trouble or anything like that. So, oh my god. Oh, let's see what's in this little back room. This is a Recollections. What is this? A heat crafting tape. Oh my god, washi tape. Llama washing tape. OMG. Look at the llama. Oh my gosh, I love me some llama. Oh god, he's so cute. Hello, llama man. So there's two. Oh my gosh. So you're probably going to hear me say oh my god or oh my gosh or something like 500 times in this video. Let's see. This is Craft Smart. Oh, it appears to be birthday washi tape. Cute. Gives you a strap. 10 pieces of birthday washi tape. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Somebody knows that I'm a washi tape hoarder. This one is crafting. So this is more washi. What's on this? Birthday. How cute. I think I did see some of this somewhere. I want to say, y'all, baby. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Ooh, this is sparkly. Glitter tape. Glitter. Okay, okay. Ooh, unicorns. I like unicorns. 8-piece. So cute. Look, I'm staring at it. I love unicorns. Cute. Oh my goodness. What else is down here? What in the world is this? This says a crafting tape. Something or other. It looks like there's a dispenser of some sort because it's got teeth there. And it looks like some polka dotted washi tape. Cute. Or let's see, what do I got? Thank you, Michelle, so much. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. I'm really like a loss for words right now for this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's got like jewels. Oh my god. Wow. Fun. Love. Keep going. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. I don't even know where to grab you guys. Ooh, lips and a kitty. Ooh, and a juicy lip. These are more like fruits or something. Fruits. And a cat, maybe. Y'all know I love cats. I have cats. Even lips. I'm overwhelmed. I'm moving at like sloth pace because I'm overwhelmed right now. Washi tape floral. Michelle, I know you're watching, or you eventually will watch the video. I do want to thank you so much. You just don't understand. Actually, you do, because that's why you sent me this. That I have a washi tape obsession. So now this just adds to my obsession. Some floral. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cute. Okay, so this is cool. I like this. The crosses. Faith, let light shine. Pretty. Hello down there. Is there an end? There's some stickers. Alright, so what's this? It's a black little wallet thing. Planner accessories. So it has a snap. What's in here? So this is kind of like the washi tape one that I had bought myself about a month ago. Let's see what in tarnation is in here. You guys, I'm wearing my son's Fitbit today. My Apple Watch is not charged, so. Okay, so this is the stickers. Oh, little mini sticker book. Well, for the love of goodness. Oh my gosh. Sorry, y'all. I'm doing this with one hand. Holy crap. Look at that. And it's just like a little wallet back in the day when we used to have, you know, we put our friends' pictures and stuff. And you can actually put in more stickers. You can cut off your own stickers. Oh, it's actually filled with stickers. Holy moly. I thought it was just a couple. Alright, so let me stop jibber-jabbing and read y'all. See if it says. It just says sticker wallet. How cute. I'm going to put that. Okay, so there's a pink one. It looks like here. Okay, so there's a pink one. I'm going to have a little snappy poo. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. More stickers. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And I'm failing epically. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's upside down. I'll just show y'all upside down. Doctor's appointments, groceries. All different ones. I don't even know what to say. I'm having a heart palpitation right now. Because y'all just... Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say down here. Holy crud. My camera doesn't focus. I don't know where to start. Okay, so let's just do it like a crap bag. So I drop it and have an anxiety attack at the same time. Happy memory keeping. Okay, so this is one of the sticker books. This one is, let's see, 432 pieces. Super cute. Y'all know I love my stickers too. I have an obsession with stickers and washi tape. I mean, let's not get it twisted. And then another happy memory keeping. Cute. I'll do another video with the flip through of more of the little sticker things that I just opened in these books. But right now I wanted to get this open and give much thanks to you, Michelle. This is the budget. Okay, I saw this on the website. This is the new budget sticker book. Girl, y'all know I need that one. Who ain't playing is your girl. The next one here. Jesus, are there more? Okay. Planner Basics. And this one, okay, this one's for the mini. I would definitely do a flip through. Let's see, what else is down here? Another one. Holy crap. Okay, seasonal for the mini. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. Mom, you know I can always keep up with the, and it's for my mini. Okay, okay. Got you. Oh my gosh. I'm at a loss for words for the 10th time right now, you guys. My eyeball. What in the world? This one says it's time for you to celebrate with stickers. This is cute. And it's kind of like the little gold band at the bottom, like the Happy Planner one. Oh, snap. This looks like it's seasons or holidays. Cute. Let's dig around blindly. There's another one. Today is the day Make It Happen book. Yeah, I could say I'm definitely going to have to do another video here. Cutie. Oh, I see a washi tape. Another unicorn. Washi tape. Oh, another one. Oh, cute. It's got like wine and, as my camera's blurred out, wine and stuff. Stop that focus. Okay, okay. Oh, Lord. What did I see here? Slay. It's a vinyl decal. Girls. Ladies and gentlemen, you know your girl is going to slay. This says stickers auto. So these are like little strips of just sayings. As my camera stops to adjust. There we go. And as you're glared into your fabulous eyeballs. And that is not even showing. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, put some sunglasses on because your girl is recording. Shine. This is Mombi Sticks. Oh, cute. For summer. Oh, we got something else, huh? Let's see. Yeah, I start going into different. Golly, make sure you have your sunglasses on, folks. Stickers. And this is like, looks like banners. Weekend banners. Super cute. And if anybody wants to enjoy a silica snack. And this looks like this is about it. Holy crap. Alright, now this, oh my gosh, me and my girl, Shaquana, have been talking about this thing forever. Since we first saw it on the Mombi website when they first were about to even launch this thing. And I've been so lazy to even buy myself one, but thank you, Michelle. This is a Happy Planner single punch. I will definitely do a tutorial on what to do with this lovely thing. And I think this is for the classic, which is the medium. You could probably do it for the Happy Planner mini too. I would definitely do a tutorial for this. So, once again, Michelle, I thank you so much for this. I totally wasn't expecting it. I appreciate everything in here. I appreciate you for watching, subscribing. You are totally awesome. You guys don't forget, in the description box down below, there is a link where you can go and enter my giveaway. So yeah, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I will be making more content soon. The girl's been really busy lately, so I haven't had a chance to really record like I want to, but it's going to be picked back up really quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!